Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to dive into understanding how to choose the right words to fill in the blanks in a sentence. We'll use an example related to art appreciation to illustrate this. Let's get started. Let's break down the sentence and explain why each option fits or doesn't fit in the blanks, using real-life examples. Here is the first blank. Options are relate, match, enjoy, access. And the correct answer is relate. Why? The reason is, relate means to understand or feel a connection with something. In the context of art, it means finding a personal connection or understanding. Example, she could relate to the character in the book because they had similar experiences. Why others not chosen? Let's explore by understanding the meaning of the words given with examples to keep their meaning in mind so we don't forget. Match means to be the same or similar. Example, the curtains match the sofa. It doesn't fit the context of understanding art. Enjoy means to take pleasure in something. Example, he enjoys playing soccer. It doesn't fit the context of understanding or connecting with art. Access means to obtain or make use of something. Example, she accessed the library's online resources. It doesn't fit the context of understanding or connecting with art. Here is the second blank. Options are kinds of, means of, a note to, a form of. And the correct answer is a form of. Why? The reason is, a form of means a type or kind of something. In this context, it means that art is a type of communication. Example, dance is a form of expression. Why others not chosen? Kinds of means types or varieties. Example, there are many kinds of fruits. It doesn't fit the context of describing art as a type of communication. Means of means a method or way of doing something. Example, email is a means of communication. It could fit, but is less precise than a form of. A note to means a brief written message. Example, she left a note to remind herself. It doesn't fit the context of describing art. Here is the third blank. Options are in spite of, instead, apart from, rather than. And the correct answer for this blank is rather than. Why? The reason is, rather than means instead of. In this context, it suggests an alternative approach to viewing art. Example, she decided to walk rather than drive. Why others not chosen? In spite of means despite something. Example, in spite of the rain, they went hiking. It doesn't fit the context of suggesting an alternative approach. Instead means as an alternative. Example, he chose tea instead of coffee. It could fit, but is less precise than rather than. Apart from means except for. Example, apart from the weather, the trip was great. It doesn't fit the context of suggesting an alternative approach. Here is the fourth blank. Options are notice, connect, forecast, cause. And the correct answer is notice. Why? The reason is, notice means to observe or become aware of something. In this context, it means paying attention to the details of the artwork. Example, she noticed the beautiful colors in the painting. Why others not chosen? Connect means to join or link together. Example, he connected the dots to see the picture. It doesn't fit the context of observing details. Forecast means to predict or estimate. Example, they forecasted the weather for the week. It doesn't fit the context of observing details. Cause means to make something happen. Example, the storm caused a power outage. It doesn't fit the context of observing details. By explaining the reasoning behind each choice and why the other options don't fit, you can easily identify the right words to choose and enhance your vocabulary unconsciously. This approach not only clarifies the correct answers, but also provides a deeper understanding of the language and the context of art appreciation. I hope this helps you in your language learning journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more educational content. See you next time.